Hey everyone, my name is Chris, the channel's name is X Pickup Editing, and today we're going to talk about 6 different ways you can import footage into Premiere Pro. Number 1, the drag and drop. Just open up your Finder, navigate to the folder that has your footage, select the clips you want to import, and then just drag and drop them into your project window. Number 2, the menu bar. Click File on the drop-down menu bar. Click Import. A Finder window will pop up. Navigate to the folder that has your footage, select all, and then click Import. Number 3, double-click. Highlight the project window and then just double-click. A Finder window will pop up. Again, navigate to the folder that has your footage, select all, and then click Import. Number 4, right-click. Again, highlight the project window, right-click inside it, a Finder window will pop up, navigate to the folder that has your footage, and then click Import. Number 5, Media Browser. Locate the Media Browser window. If you can't see it, go to Window in the menu bar and then click on Media Browser. Once you locate the media browser, it's pretty self-explanatory. Essentially, it works just like your Finder, except it's already inside of Premiere. Navigate to the folder that has your footage, select all, and then you can either right-click and click Import, or just simply drag and drop into your project window. Number 6, copy and paste. This method works really well if you already have some clips imported into another project. While your new project is open the old project that has the footage you want to copy. Locate the footage in your project window, select all, and copy. Click back over to your new project's project window and paste. You can also select already edited clips in an older sequence, and then again, copy and paste. And that is 6 different ways that you can import footage into Premiere Pro. Side note, any of these methods will work no matter if it's footage, photos, Photoshop documents, Illustrator files, pretty much any media that is compatible with Premiere. Personally, I just use the drag and drop method. It's the most natural way for me. But leave a comment below. Let me know if I missed anything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like it, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.